Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'm going to be showing you two easy hijab tutorial steps. So for the first step, you're going to have a long part and a shorter part. So we're going to bring the shorter part over and pin it to your inner cap, then place the longer part above or on top the pinned part, and then that's it. You can just cross it over, adjust it to your preference, and that's it. You can leave it this way or take the other part, the longer part that we cross back, and then bring it to the front. Whichever way is okay for you, but here is the first tutorial. The next one is tie the two ends to your neck, and then the second part above your head. Once you're done with that, you crisscross it. I don't know if you get what I meant, but just look at how I'm doing it. So guys, this part can be a little tricky, so just try to work well on it, adjust it to your preference. And if you've gotten to this stage and you haven't subscribed yet, kindly subscribe to my channel and like my video. Comment down below your favorite style and what video you would like to see me upload next. You can give me video ideas, I don't mind. I'm going to work on it. Thank you guys for watching, and again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also turn on your post notification bell so you can know when next I upload my video. Bye, and catch you guys in my next video.